what song track?
Oh, doing good.
Your choice.
My choice. Okay.
Pick Justin Bieber!
Justin Bieber. One time. But okay. How's that going first?
I don't know.
Hey, what's on?
Anybody know how that goes?
Anyone know how to start? No one knows. I don't know how to start.
How does that go first?
It's fun.
That's Lizzie. She's such a good singer.
Okay,
It really counts.
How does that start? Okay, I'm ready.
What are you singing? This is a very interesting videotape.
I think bird is a word.
Yeah, bird is the word. Yeah, do it. I'm feeling it.
Hey, you're amazing Dave. You're amazing Braid. What's your favorite word? This one.
No, I haven't.
Bird of dancing. Oh, of course. Okay. You know.
This is going to be hysterical.
It's gonna be like Chinese.
This one is for Kyle Schmidt and my best friend, Mr. Reed.
Oh, yeah. Come on, you got this.
Everybody turn about the bird.